Everything is so sad. You know more?
You good boy. You good boy. Did you eat it already? No, I didn't.
Fluffy milk. You know what she
Good boy.
Okay, so I thought we were going outside to run him because he needs his exercise.
I know, just let me finish, please. Oh, you're filming it.
Tell us, what are you making?
Making,
Peanut butter.
peanut butter and
Wait, why are you making two?
Because I'm starving.
No.
I can make you one if you want me to.
That's okay.
You want anything to eat?
I just ate, actually. I ate grapes and strawberries.
Oh, I want some grapes. Ew, there's a strawberry in there. Too much peanut butter.
But, so yeah, he's been laying around. This morning we took him to a field, an empty field near our house, and we just run him.
Yeah,
Because he needs to run, and if he doesn't run, he's crazy in here, so. But this is how he is. This is how big he's gotten. I think he's gotten a little bit bigger since we got him. Hey,
Apparently everyone
sit. Sit. Good boy. You did that right in front of the camera. That's great. All right, he gets a treat for that. That's awesome.
Damn it, small. I got one in half, so whatever.
Okay.
I got one,
Here.
a half one and half.
Get that. Oh yeah, we made homemade dog treats. All right, can you sit again? Good boy.
You don't even have to say sit whenever you get the treat out. You just does it.
Well, we've been working on him. We got him a new crate because we had been using one that our friends let us use. They were actually very sweet, very sweet to let us have use it. But it was a little small, but we still used it. But yeah, we got him a bigger one.
He does
so.
better in there than his big one.
That is true. He does better in the small one.
Yeah, he just lays down in his.
But yeah, I'll get this back out when we go outside.
Look at that! We just got these yesterday.
We love our grapes.
Grapes and strawberries.
So tonight we're going to go to this Christmas party at our church. Unfortunately, we will not be able to video there because we're going to be really busy doing other stuff. But this is what we got. Okay, this is what my mom got actually. She got these two things to put in a bag. And then this to put in something else. I actually really don't know what that's for because I'm pretty sure that these two don't go together. And then I got pens and a notebook for whoever gets it. And then Ev got
I don't know where it is, but I got $5 in pennies.
Yeah, that was more of like a gag gift.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's $5 worth in pennies because the gift was only supposed to be $5. You're only supposed to get something that's $5 and below. So then we figured, why not just get.
No, sir. Stop.
The dog's eating the ornaments.
Not really.
Alright, we're gonna run him. Let's see if he. Now he's playing fetch. He's teething, so he was chewing on a rock because I guess it just feels good. And now he's chewing on a stick. So